Welcome back to the online class of AIS. Today I am going to teach you divisions. As you all know that we have already started operations with large numbers, that is chapter 2, and we have already completed till exercise 2.4. So today we are going to start with exercise 2.5, that is all about divisions. So let's get started. Exercise 2.5, work out the following division sums. We are going to solve sum number 1. 3426 divided by 22. So, as you all know, 3 is smaller than 22. So, we are going to take 3 and 4 both. That is 34. So 21 ones are 22, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1. 2 will come down. Now 5s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. 2 minus 1, 1. 6 will come down again by 5, because if we will be dividing it with 6, then it will be more than 126. So 5. 22 5s are, that is 110, 6, 16. So quotient is 155, remainder is 16. This is your answer. Next sum number 8. 3683 divided by 36. Ones are 36. 8 will come down. Since 8 is smaller than 36, so 0. Again 3 will come down. 36 2s are 72. 1 1. So quotient is 102. Remainder is 11. As you all know that exercise 2.5 is all about division, and rest other sums I have already done in the class. So today I am going to start with exercise 2.6. Exercise 2.6 is also about division. So the question is, work out the following sums. We are going to solve sum number 1. 62,032 divided by 56. So 56 ones are 56. 6, 0. Again ones are 56. 4. Now 3 will come down. Since 43 is smaller than 56, so 0. Now 2 will come down. Now 7s are 7 6 are 42. 4 in hand, 7 5s are 35, and 35 plus 4 39. Because if you will be dividing it by 8, then 6 8s are 48. 4 in hand, 5 8s are 40. It would have become more than 432. So we are doing by 7. So 0. 13 minus 9 4, and that is 0. So quotient is 1107. Remainder is 40. This is your answer. Now we are going to solve sum number 3. 69,000 divided by 35. So 35. So again ones are 34. Now 0 will come down. So 9s are 5 9s are 45. 4 in hand, 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So 5, 25. Now again 1 0 will come down. So 7s are 5 7s are 35, 3 in hand, 7 3s are 21, 22, 23, 24. Now 5 0 will come down, again 1s are 35, that is quotient is 1971, remainder is 15. This is your answer. Now let's start with exercise 2.7, because you all know that 2.5 and 2.6 is all about division. So I have done 2-3 sums from there, and rest other sums I have already done in the class. So we are going to start with exercise 2.7. 2.7 is all about the story sums based on divisions. So we are going to solve sum number 1. 68 people can travel in one bus. How many buses will be needed for 1900 people going on a pilgrimage? So that means one bus capacity is 68 people, and so how many buses will be required for 1904 people? So over here you can see the unknown quantity is bus. So bus, in case of the statement, I'll be writing bus in the right hand side, and I'll begin the statement with the people, since people is the known quantity. So 68 people can travel in one bus. Therefore 1904 people can travel in, as you know, this is the bigger number, so this should be written at first, that is 1904 divided by 68. I'll be showing the division here. 68 divided by 1904. So 19 is smaller than 68. I'll be taking 190. 2s are 8 2s are 16, 6 2s are 12 and 1 13. So 4 54. Again 4 will come down. So 8s are 64, 6 in hand, 6 8s are 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So is equal to 28. So 28 buses will be needed for 1904 people. This is your answer. Now we are going to solve sum number 3. If 225 liters of water is supplied to a family, how many families can be supplied with 42,775 liters of water? So again the same thing, again we have to do division. The statement will be, since the number of families are unknown, so I'll be writing the statement in this way. 225 liters of water is supplied, 225 liters of water is supplied to one family. So 42,075 liters of water is supplied to 42,075 divided by 225. Since family is unknown, so family I have written in the right hand side. I am showing the division here. 225 42075. Now ones are 225 195. 7 will come down. Now 8s are 5 8s are 40. 4 in hand, 8 2s are 16 plus 4 20. 2 in hand, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18. 7 5 1. Now 5 will come down. 5 7s are 35. 3 in hand, 7 2s are 14. 15 16 17. 1 in hand, 7 2s are 14 1 15. So is equal to 187. Thus 187 families can be supplied with 42,075 liters of water. This is your answer. So here we come to the end of exercise 2.5, 2.6 and 2.7. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.